Hello everyone, the Flying Scotsman here. Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to play some Mario. But Jay! I hear you cry. Well, first of all, what are you doing in front of a DOS prompt? And second of all, I thought it was Academic August. You've already done one video that's not anything to do with academia. Well, quite frankly, that is academic. Anyway, you're right. Last week's video wasn't anything to do with academia, and to be honest, I did wonder if I was going to be able to manage to do Academic August this year. Obviously, there was videos that I planned for June, like the MS-DOS video, and I couldn't do that. But I think I've got some Academic August videos for you. So anyway, like I said, let's play Mario. Now, yeah, again, you're probably now thinking, but Jay, but why are you playing Mario? It's Academic August. You've just explained that you're doing it. Well, again, yeah. Well, I am playing an academic game. You see, Mario had some adventures with edutainment games, including Mario's Time Machine, and there was there was others actually. There was When I Grow Up. There was Mario's Game Gallery. Not really educational, but there you go. But one of the more infamous games was, of course, Mario Teaches Typing, available for MS-DOS, and then later for Windows and Macintosh. Now, in the Windows and Macintosh versions, which I believe came on a CD-ROM, Mario, as voiced by Mr. Martinet, I forget his first name now, was trying to type in a phrase into a typewriter that would blow up Bowser's castle. Unfortunately, he incorrectly typed the phrase, which caused the typewriter to blow up into 3 pieces that were scattered around, well, I guess the Mushroom Kingdom. And you have got to use your typing skills to complete the levels and to find the missing pieces of the typewriter, which then can be pieced together and can then be used to blow up Bowser's castle once Mario has typed the correct phrase. So, this is something that is mentioned in the CD-ROM version, like I said, but not in the floppy disk version for MS-DOS, in which Mario is actually voiced by someone else. So, let's start her up. So, we have the original music. Now, unfortunately, it's quite quiet on here. So, I do apologise for this.
Welcome to Mario Teaches Typing!
Well, thank you, Mario. So, obviously, I had to go with this the other day, just to see what like it was. But let's start with a new profile. And apparently, you can be Mario, Luigi, or Princess Peach. So, gold word per minute 5, level 1 outside beginner, lesson 1 home row. So, I'm going to just be Mario. Okay. So let's start at level 1, which is
on your mark, get set, go!
Normal. So you can see that this is basically just like playing a Mario game. Except you're actually typing things. It's a bit like what typing of the Dead is to House of the Dead. It's gimmicky, but, you know, if it works for kids... Whoops. Oops. J. I'm not doing very well. I could normally type better, but I guess the whole letters coming across the screen. You've reached your goal.
Congratulations, you made it!
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go!
Okay. D. I must have done something good, because fireworks. So, yeah, this is something that they've never thought of in a Mario Maker game. Come on, guys. See if you can do a Mario Teacher's typing level. You can plug a USB keyboard into the Switch. I could see that totally happening. You reach your goal word per minute. You must now type 5 words a minute on the home plus top plus bottom lesson. So, what do I think to this? Well, I don't know, really. I think there's quite a... I don't know, with Mario running and jumping, just... I feel it's... kind of puts the pressure on a wee bit, but at the same time, I think kids would have probably liked this. Or something like this, but doesn't seem to be looked too kindly upon in the retro gaming community. Probably because it's not a real Nintendo thing. But, I I don't know. I think it's quite gimmicky, but
Congratulations,
time,
you made it.
I certainly think that, edutainment is quite gimmicky and should be. I mean, it's meant to be entertaining as well as educational. So let's have a look at some of the other options. Got the keyboard. It'll show you. I wonder if I type stuff. Oh, no. No, it just shows you a picture of the keyboard. That's... Oh! No, I see, because Mario's fingers are different colours. And it shows you which fingers should touch which keys. So that's quite an ingenious way of doing that. And I know just by typing, just putting my fingers on the home keys of my keyboard. Whoops, I keep knocking it off. That, I'm doing things that I shouldn't be doing. So I will think nothing of reaching down with my index finger to hit the letter C. But according to this, I should be using my middle finger. I just don't find that as comfortable, if I'm honest. My middle finger it naturally goes down towards X, which actually apparently should be dealt with by the ring finger on my left hand. Yeah, Z, I can understand, I can. Whoops. But again, just my fingers are all in the wrong place, and then. But my right hand is my dominant hand, and I think I've got more control with that. So, and normally I'm a pretty good typist. Well, as far as I know. Obviously, you've got help. Let's have a look at my file, shall we? Lesson time. Oh, it shows how long the lessons are. Certificates. You have not yet earned a certificate. Keep trying. So you can actually earn certificates just like you could with Instant Typing Tutor, which I believe I covered last summer, if not 2 summers ago. So there you go. That's Mario Teaches Typing. Sorry, it wasn't the longest of videos, but yeah, it's not. There's really not that much to it. The floppy disk version of this game doesn't really have a story, and yeah, it's basically just Mario Teaches Typing. So there you go. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and please join me for my next one. Cheery bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. You could also subscribe to the channel and hit the wee bell icon to be notified when I have published a new video. But until then, please feel free to check out some of my previous videos.